I'm asked all the time, is SEO still worth it today? We're now in 2024, and Google algorithms are changing all the time. AI has completely changed how people search and where people spend their time online, how they interact with seeking answers and solutions to the problems they have when they go online and they're trying to figure out what to do next. So, the question, is SEO actually worth it? Is it worth your time to invest in creating content, to rank high in organic search results for the terms that people are searching in your niche? My answer is yes. SEO is always a worthwhile investment. However, what SEO is changing. And you have to show up with genuinely useful content that actually connects with real readers. When someone generates a blog post using AI and just goes straight from prompt to publish, that's not something that's going to stand the test of time when it comes to SEO. The way that you can actually win the SEO game still today is to really invest in, yes, maybe using AI tools to help speed up your progress and make your process a little bit quicker, more efficient. But what you really got to do is you got to weave yourself into it. You have to take the kernel of truth, your personal experiences, and actually inject that into your content. Otherwise, you're going to have a really difficult time standing out amongst a sea of just AI generated content that all kind of sounds the same. And so from the perspective of investing in SEO, try AI tools, see how they can work into your process, but more importantly, invest in really placing yourself into your content and nail the SEO basics. There are still things that are going to be important, like having the correct header structure throughout your articles, making sure you're weaving in your keyword phrase into the article and related terms. And there are so many great tools, including WriteBlogger, that can help you do this. So try the tools, see what you can learn and incorporate into your process. But more than anything, keep yourself core to the content you create.